Hey, good day, everybody. In this video, I'll show the importance of the multi-select save item command in OpenBOM for SolidWorks. I'm showing you over here in my bill of material. I intentionally deleted a couple of step files for these parts over here. And I've got a lot of other information in this BOM about this design that I've already updated. And I made a few changes to the frame and to the wheel here. So I just want to update just those step files. So in this video, I'm going to show two important aspects of the June 2026 release. One of them is the Save Item dialog box has the ability now to process all the selected items. So when I check that, I'll process all the selected items. I'm going to go ahead and save this into my SolidWorks items catalog. The other thing is that this highlights the importance of the OpenBOM Smart Sync. So OpenBOM's only going to sync any data associated with those two files that I've selected there. So consequently, any steps or PDFs or anything else that was generated from any other parts will not be part of the upload. So as you can see, I mean, this design has hundreds of files, and we only uploaded just those two that changed. So let me refresh my screen here, and you can see exactly what I'm speaking about. So here we've got those two steps now. They were just uploaded in that save item operation, and all the other files, of course, didn't change, so they weren't processed. So that'll greatly reduce the time to update items. So just to recap, that is multi-select save item in OpenBOM for SolidWorks June 2026 release. Thanks.